Hi.
Hi! Am I looking too
How are you doing?
bright? Listen, I've
No, you're not.
it was so tough for me to find this corner in my house because there's a construction happening around and I'm like, where should I hide?
Oh my God. Construction's in your building or
Next
inside
to
the
my
house?
building, next to my building.
Oh, okay.
So
All right.
it's like
Because this is
he's
the one question, Shivangi, that all your fans wanted to know. Is she done house hunting? Has she found a house in Mumbai and all of that?
yeah, I finally found a house and the shifting is also done. So
Oh,
mm,
great.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank
Congratulations
you,
and
thank
cheers.
you, thank you, thank you. Cheers.
So it's really good to again have you on Coffee Time with Riya, this time
Thank
individually.
you.
I insisted that we do it separately, नहीं तो भाई साई केतन और शिवांगी के साथ चैट्स तो होंगे, वो होते ही रहेंगे. लेकिन
जी.
एक थोड़ा just शिवांगी को जाने individually. So I thought, why not
हम्म.
do this? So that's why this coffee session. So first of all, the fact that you guys have finished the shooting, the hectic days are over. I'm sure you're missing all the madness. लेकिन ये जो बॉम्बे में थोड़ा रिलैक्स टाइम ये कैसा रहा once you returned?
अरे I thought Bombay I'll go I'll be like once the shoot is done I'm going to chill मतलब जितना ना एक सैटरडे मिला ना ढंग की नींद मिली मैं सारी कसर निकाली but
हाँ
the
हाँ.
minute we got free it was haunting. It was like dude, I'm used to getting up at 6:30 in the morning, going on the set, reaching there on time and start shooting. Right now I have nothing to do and I'm like I need to plan my day. So when we went to Bombay also, first we had our farewell party which we did
हाँ.
and we all started into this thing कि यार घर ढूंढना है क्योंकि सब अपने अपने घर छोड़कर आए थे. So we were like, and house hunting in Bombay is a task, yeah. Bachelor, if you're a
Absolutely.
bachelor, they'll kill you. They'll be like, हम किसी को भी घर देंगे, but bachelor or actor,
Bachelors तो नहीं.
these two professions are like banned. So they're like,
Oh my God.
ma'am, family hai, then you'll get such as a okay kind of houses. So, but then yeah, I did meet Sai and met other actors also, and it was great. We had a discussion today also that we miss Kolhapur, the
Yeah.
surrounding. I'm like, this construction is happening around here, and I'm like, खट मेरे सर पे ऐसे लग रहा है वो सब बज रहा है. So yeah, we do miss that a lot. Going to work was like, I miss it.
I'm sure. I'm sure. Yeah, there's so many days that you guys have spent together. In fact, I was talking to
Yeah.
Ketan also, and this is one thing. So it was a one big family, and it's very difficult to actually let go, not getting to see each other every day because वो आदत बन
Hmm.
जाती है, right?
हाँ, you're like a family, you're going to get up, सुबह जाते ही I meet Ajinkya sir and everybody else, Rutuja and everybody. I'm like, hey, what's up, what's happening? And we'll be like, हाँ चलो ये scene ऐसे करना है. That thing I miss. And I love
Right.
working, when you're in front of
Right.
camera, it gives me another high. So I miss that the most.
Okay. Now you tell me, Shivangi, before like when I
Hmm.
put it out there, और जब आपके
Yeah.
fans को तो पता ही चल जाता है जब आप live आने वाले हो या whatever. So there are questions which are like a must do. वो तो
Okay.
हम यहाँ से already लेंगे because the people are watching us live. But
Mm-hmm.
कुछ questions जो मुझे specially बोला गया है पूछने के लिए because they
Okay.
really want to know
Mm-hmm.
Shivangi as a person. So I'll just, I have taken out 4 questions of your fans. These are your fan questions. You address them. मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ ये सारे सवाल. तो पहला पहला क्वेश्चन है ask her about her family, her parents and her brother. What were their reaction and how supportive are they of her profession? And जिस तरह की limelight और जिस तरह का आपको progress मिला, while playing Pallavi, how did they approach that?
Uh, to be honest, my dad has always been somebody who's he was a farmer. He belongs to a farmer family, and he comes from a really small town from MP, and he was into farming and everything, and he got into schooling, and he's like, "Hey, I enjoy studying. I want to take this ahead. I want to get into engineering," and he got into engineering, and he did all his schooling in Hindi. Then he got into engineering and he understood कि अरे यार यहाँ पे तो English पढ़नी पड़ेगी. And then he started learning English. That was his first time to know कि हाँ A B C D ऐसे सब होता है और ऐसी चीजें. So for a person who comes from that kind of a background, he feels that I want my kid to be safe. I want her to have a 9 to 5 job. End of the month, you're getting the salary. There's,
Right.
जैसे हमारे प्रोफेशन में बोलते हैं a lot of this and that happens, so he was worried about that also. So I remember during my engineering time when I told him about it, he's like, listen, no. He clearly said no. I said why? He said, don't ask me why, just no. And then we did have a fight over it. And then he said, listen, do one thing, get your engineering done, and then you think about it. And मैं ढीठ हूँ. I'm like, बोल दिया ना आपने engineering के बाद you'll not see anything. He's like, yeah. Then I was like, ठीक है, चलो done. I got done with my engineering, and then I said, listen, engineering is done, and I'm shifting in a week. This was तुरंत. जैसे exams खत्म हुए, I was like, in a week I'm shifting. I have seen a house also over there, which he didn't know. I said, I saw the house also. Everything is done, so I'm leaving. He was very, very worried, but I understand them. I understand my parents because they have not seen this life. He comes from a different background. My mother comes from a different background, and I totally understand his worry. It's, a parent, whenever he's saying no, it's not because बस उनको मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं इनको मत भेजो. It's the worry that they have, especially being a girl. They'll be like, यार क्या होगा, कैसे होगा? There will be nobody taking care of her and this and that. Then initial days used to go to my mom every day and used to ask कि कुछ मिला क्या, कोई audition crack हुआ, कुछ हुआ. My mom will be like, हाँ 2-4 चीजों में shortlist हो गई है. तो shortlisting तो बॉम्बे में actor की life में normal है. Every day you'll get a call saying you're shortlisted. And then when the show happened, this was like after me giving good 200 or more auditions. I'm not kidding. I lost count after 200 auditions. And then Sandeep sir called me, and in a very weird way, he said, take care of your health and other things. And he's like, chalo bye. And I asked my casting director, what is this? Like, why did he call me?
Yeah.
And she's like, I'm confused. And that was a video call. So I said, explain this to me, somebody. She's like, wait, I'll call him, I'll ask him. So she calls him and he's like, oh, sorry, I forgot to tell that Shivangi is finalized, okay? And I was like, listen, mom, don't tell it to dad. मैं जिस दिन सेट पे जाऊंगी ना उस दिन बताएंगे. Because our profession is this. Even when things start, कभी कभी रिलीज नहीं होती है, अचानक से बंद हो जाती है. So I said, listen, don't. We'll start the shoot and then I'll tell him. Then but my mom still told him about the show, and I started the shoot. When people started calling him, saying that, listen, we are a fan, we want to meet your daughter. The relatives are calling. People in his office are like, my daughter is a fan, my daughter watches. He was proud, and the way he came home and told my mother that, listen, people are asking about you. So yesterday also, like, my brother is admitted in the hospital for a small surgery, and I was in the hospital without makeup and nothing. I was with a mask. There's a lady standing next to me, and she's like, hey, you're Shivangi, right? I said, oh yeah, I'm Shivangi. She's like, I watch your show, and my father is standing there and is watching. So I didn't say anything to him. I just went and I sat and I was like, हाँ चलो पूरा procedure करते हैं hospital का जल्दी से. And my dad is like smiling. He's just continuously smiling. He's like, क्या बोला उसने? I said, she's a fan, I guess. And he said, what are you saying? Then 2-3 more people came to meet my brother, and my father is telling everybody, there were few people downstairs who were telling my daughter that they watched their show. And I was like, oh, this is what I wanted to see. This is what I was striving so hard for. That one day my father is standing in front of me and telling proudly that this is my daughter and she's an actor. So yeah, now he has come to this point where he's like, okay, this is a good profession. She has come to a good stage, and she is a good actor. He says that also, that I didn't know you can act. And I was like, that's because you never saw me acting. So now he's very proud. My brother also, if there are people around who will come to me saying, you're Pallavi, right? You're Shivangi, right? They'll come home and they'll tell everybody that, some people came to us and all that. So it feels great. Huh?
How's your brother now? He's
all fine.
Not have to do. Okay.
Right. It was a small nose surgery because the side of his nose was blocked, so they had to operate it.
Okay.
So he's all.
So he's out of the hospital now.
No, he is still in the hospital, observation and everything. Would be there for the next 2 days.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that's a beautiful story. It's always very, very nice and relieving to see your parents in that stage where they're actually visibly proud of their children.
Yeah.
And that's a moment where you think, okay, fine, this is I have
रोक दो,
actually
ये
arrived.
पल यही रोक दो कि I want to look at my father and be like, I
Actually,
know you're proud of me. You're not saying it, but I can see that.
absolutely. That's really sweet. Okay, on to the next one. This is the last breakdown scene of Pallavi's. Everybody was in love with that scene.
Yeah.
Your experience while shooting it, सच में रोना आया? What was it like? What was going in that head of yours? What was it like?
I believe the one where Raghav cheats on Pallavi and Pallavi gets to know. I guess they're talking about.
Yeah.
So when I heard the narrative that Raghav is going to, his ex-girlfriend is coming back and they are going to go to this hotel and this is what is going to happen in the hotel.
Yeah.
And I was upset for like a week that night. Raghav cannot cheat. I was heartbroken. I was legit like heartbroken. And Sai is asking me, what is happening? What is happening? I said, listen, I can't see this. I can't see this happening. Raghav cannot cheat on Pallavi. I'm depressed. And I was like, not depressed, but yeah, I was kind of, I would say I was. Sai is telling me, listen, it's just, just a story. You're playing a character. I said, yes, I am. But no, the Raghav that I know, the character that I know, he's not going to cheat. And I don't know what to do. So I was like, Chalo Shivangi, let's go through this phase because this is what is going to help me later on. Only when I understand what is a heartbreak and what is cheating like, that's when it's going to come out natural. So I did keep that feeling with me for like good 1 week. You can ask Sai next time. He'll tell you मैंने उसको कितना तंग किया है इस चीज पे. And then and I was waiting every day because we were getting the screenplay एक दिन पहले कि हाँ कल ये होगा, and that came very late, like almost end of the show.
Yeah.
And I was like, आ जाएगा. Every day I used to read the screenplay thinking, आज Pallavi का breakdown है. She will yell at him. She'll slap him. She'll do this. She'll do that. And then when it came, I was like, dude, I have a lot of content. सब कुछ मैंने जमा करके रखा. I'm just gonna let it out. Yeah. And when that happened, a lot of people on the set were like, Shivangi, it was amazing. And I was like, chalo. इतना हफ्ता जो emotion मैंने बचा के रखा, जो मैंने I kept it with me on purpose also so that I can, it comes out naturally. So that really helped.
That paid off.
Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, so the next one. You want to take the call? You can take the call.
No.
Fine?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
The next one is please ask her what her nickname is. Everybody wants to know about your nickname. Your nickname के पीछे क्या कहानी है, Shivangi?
I don't know. I don't know. Did Sai say anything?
No.
He is the only person who can.
No, but probably he did in one of the interviews, not mine. So people really want to know about this nickname story. What is this nickname के पीछे क्या कहानी है शिवांगी? आप आज बताइए.
सिंपल सी बात है, आप जब इंडियन फैमिली में पैदा होते ही सबसे अनोइंग नाम दुनिया का ढूंढ के आपको रखा जाएगा. कुछ भी चिंटू पिंटू डैड, they will be like, we are Indian people. We'll not keep Sam. Something very sad. We'll keep something very annoying. कि 10 लोगों में मेरी बेटी को she should be embarrassed. So Sai asked me कि घर पे क्या बुलाते हैं? I said I'm not gonna let it out. So he's been asking me since that day. He's like, listen, tell me what is your pet name, otherwise I'll call your mom. I said मैंने train करके रखा है घर में सबको. Nobody is going to let it out because I'm very embarrassing.
What is your pet name, Shivangi? Come on, let your fans know, yaar. Come on, I'm sure it's cute.
No, it's not cute. I find it. And if I tell you, sure, Sai is going to be like, मुझे नहीं बताया ना तूने, मैं इतने से
You haven't told him? Oh my god.
अरे एकदम full proof planning से I've like सबको बोल रखा है, कोई बात बाहर नहीं.
What should I do to let the secret out? क्या
I
करूं
guess
मैं,
you'll have to
समझ
talk to
लो.
my mom. One call to my mom, and my mom calls my name so annoyingly. She's like, "Ah, you got a call," and people get me. And people ask me. All my college friends will be like, "1 second, what did she call you?" And I'm like, "Yeah, that's my pet name." They'll be like, "What?" And they laugh for good 2 minutes, and then the conversation will start. You understand how?
आई एम रियली इंट्रीग कि ये नाम है क्या, क्या हो सकता है ऐसा नाम, किस लेटर से शुरू होता है या किस चीज से राइम करता है, ये बता दो आप. इट राइम्स
Mm,
विद व्हाट वर्ड?
listen, it's very easy then to guess.
Come on now. Let me give me a difficult one. I'll guess then. I'll
Mm,
guess in my head. I'll not say it out loud. Text you. ये मैंने guess किया.
it has to do something with the color pink.
Pinky.
Listen,
Pinky तो हो सकता है, और क्या होगा? Obviously, it's Pinky.
I'm not even going to say yes or no.
Pink lips and pink cheeks. Has to be Pinky. So how will it be Pinky? Shivangi and Pinky have no connection.
This pet names I tell you, चुन के आपको मतलब शायद पंडित वंडित बुलाते हैं इंडियन फैमिली में कि इसका सबसे अनोइंग नाम ढूंढो, पंडित ढूंढेगा पूरी लिस्ट में, ये रखिए मैडम.
Okay, all right. No worries. We'll leave it at that. We'll keep it's Pinky. It's not that bad. Okay, the next one that people want to know is how did you get into boxing? Because they've seen your videos and they feel that you're really good at it. So, what stage have you come to while training for it?
Well, I'm not training for anything in particular. So my friend was going there and she suggested that's a really nice place. You should try kickboxing. And I said, "Chalo jate hai." And then she warned me that listen, it's not easy. You know, your arms hurt the first day, your body is going to be sore and everything. And I was really scared. And I reached there, and this person is like, "Chalo, Shivangi, shuru karte hain." Teachers, they don't listen. Sir, dukh raha hai, sir. I'm kicking boxing, and I'm like, "Sir, wait one." Like, "Chalo, Shivangi, maro." And I'm like, "हाँ sir, हाँ." I just started. I was like, एक दो दिन जाके देखते, maybe I'll stop it later on. But then when you hit, it feels so good. You're like, सारा, he'll tell you
Adrenaline.
गुस्सा निकालते वक्त ना, वो दिन वो टाइम सोचो जब सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा आता है, hit hard. So I was like, hey, this is fun. This is a good place to, remove all your stress and everything. So then I started, and there's no stage right now. He was just teaching me like, kicking and boxing, both the things together. Yeah. So
So what about your pole dancing classes? Because I've seen those videos as well. How's that going?
Oh yeah. So I was in love. I love Ashka Goradia, if you know her. She's also
Yeah.
so I saw her few videos where she's doing pole dancing, and I was like, hey, I would love. I'm sure Bombay में होगा, पुणे में I was like फिर भी possible नहीं था, Bombay में जरूर होगा. And I was like, I want to be
Do
on
that.
that pole. I want to do that. I want to flip. I want to just be that light. And when I went there, it's fun. Yeah, there are too many people. You'll make friends also. They'll teach you. And there's, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पतले होंगे तो ही आप pole dancing कर सकते हैं. There are a lot of people who are like kind of overweight also. They come. There are boys also who come there, and it's a really good exercise. If you have it around you happening, I would suggest you should go for it. It's really fun. Yeah.
Okay. So what we are going to do next is obviously we're going to take some fan questions, but ये थोड़ी देर में क्योंकि मैं already आपसे ये सवाल पूछ चुकी हूँ which was sent by your fans.
Yeah.
So let's do a sip and spill. थोड़ा और spill the beans करते हैं शिवांगी हेलीगर के साथ. So I will ask you a couple of questions. Try to obviously bring out the fun elements, more fun elements from you, Shivangi. Let's see कौन से beans spill होते हैं. So the first one. Take a sip if you remember your first ever stage performance. First ever. सबसे पहला वाला.
Oh.
College.
School में तो I was a very shy kid, so my teachers used to come to me very often saying, come, we'll do it. And I was like, no sir, and वो एकदम शुद्ध मराठी और ये सब पुणे में ना, that kind of place work really well. So, but I was in actor prepares and I was doing this course with them, and there we had to write our own script. you perform a monologue in the end, which is your own script. You write it on it. You cannot copy it from anywhere. And one of my friends suggested that there's a very beautiful book called The Last Bullet. It's by Sunita Kamte. And it's about the 26/11 attack. Her husband was also in the attack, and she's written it very beautiful. It's an autobiography. And I said, I would love to read it. One, the book was very difficult to find. One of my friend somehow managed to get it from Hyderabad. He got it delivered and everything. And I started reading it. I used to read it every day. My teacher used to tell me, go through it every day. And he was kind of into method and everything. So he did not help me with a thing. He said, I want you to read it. I used to read it every day. I used to go to him and I used to perform something from that. Ki kuch to scenario leke I try and perform. And he'll not say anything. He was somebody who's like, I want you to write it. I want you to approve it. So I'm just going to tell if it is good or bad. Rest, you do it on your own. I used to read it इतना पढ़ा है मैंने कि मुझे हर पेज में कौन सा लाइन कहाँ था ये याद हो गया था from that book. And then he used to make me sit and he'll close his eyes and he'll listen to me and I'm just reading the book. And he'll, tell me, mark this. And I'll be like, okay, I'll mark it. And he's like, now keep reading it. So I'll go home, I'll keep reading it. I'll make something out of it. I might be having those, I've written, itna likh chuki thi main tab tak. In a month, I had written this much. Because I was writing every day something, I was scratching it, I was writing and scratching it. So end mein, somehow a good, monologue came up where I tried to show what she went through when she was getting those calls. She's nicely narrated it that she was in Aund when she got a call saying that there's an attack in Bombay. And when she came home, what happened? When she saw him for the first time, when she saw the helmet which had the bullet, she had it in her hand. Everything I tried to, narrate in that 2-3 minutes ka play or monologue, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
The वो कहते हैं कश्मकश of a wife. And the whole, I summed up the whole play saying that it's very easy to be, it's not easy to be an army officer, but it's very tough to be an army officer's wife. So this was the whole thing I was trying to, get. And I legit saw a few people crying in front of me and I was like, oh my God.
You touched the chord, yeah. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Okay. The next one. Take a step if you've ever had a stalker in real life. Real life में किसी ने stalk किया हो कभी? Really?
And people will stalk you like how? They'll know आप किसको मिले, कब मिले. Some people were standing outside the house and that person is telling me, they'll figure out your place, your number and everything. And listen, I just saw you passing by and I was like, this is crazy.
Oh shit, that's scary.
Yeah, that's scary.
Oh God. Okay. All right. Take a step if you've had a really funny or a nasty audition experience. Since you've given so many 200 odd auditions, कोई funny and nasty audition experience?
Funny तो होते हैं. वो होता है ऐसा ना whenever you go for an audition and बॉम्बे में ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं जो बोलेंगे हम बहुत बड़ी फिल्म बना रहे हैं, but in the end they make nothing or it's just they'll just take your time for nothing. And the way they'll narrate it कि हमारी पिक्चर में ना पहले ऐसे होगा, फिर ऐसे होगा, फिर ये होगा, फिर वो होगा. And I'm like, मैं जा चुकी हूँ तब तक. I'm in some other thought. I'm like, I know ये ना बनने वाली है ना कुछ होने वाला है. I'm in some other thought कि हाँ घर जाके since I'm a bachelor I have to go buy this सब्जी, वहाँ से फिर भाई को ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करना है. Okay. टाइम है आपके पास 1 घंटे का नरेशन चल रहा है और आपको पता है पहले मतलब the minute you meet somebody you know this person is professional or not. So I'm like, chalo, you talk, I'll think about, I'll get my other things sorted.
Okay. All right. The next one. Take a step if you've ever made a fool of yourself and be truthful about it. Fool of yourself in trying to impress a boy. Whether in school or in college. Impress a boy and made a total paplu out of yourself. What did you do?
Nothing. So, I had a scooty. Okay, so there's this
Okay.
guy who, and we were doing a show or something like that, and I'm like, let's offer him a lift. And
On the scooter. Okay.
और मैं पहुंच गई and I'm like, listen, good job, and I left. And he's like, thanks. And I'm like, okay, bye.
लिफ्ट का क्या हुआ? लिफ्ट को नो लिफ्ट कर दिया. Oh God.
कुछ नहीं. I was like, I'll tell
You
him these
probably
things.
must have so much of courage to say good job that lift वगैरह भूल गई.
अरे it is embarrassing. You can't. You have to be a pro to, ask
Yeah.
out people. I appreciate those guys who go out to girls easily and they have like really amazing ऐसे कोई pickup line होगा. इसमें they'll be like, हाँ, they'll, metaphor use करेंगे to compliment you. Your beauty is कुछ तो. And I'm like, मानना पड़ेगा यार, मुझसे lift नहीं दी गई.
Great. Okay. From asking people out to love letters. Take a step if you have ever written or received one love letter, like a proper prem patra. कभी या तो मिला हो या फिर लिखा हो.
लिखा तो नहीं, but there was one which is good.
You received it.
Yeah, school time में there
हाँ.
was I don't know किसने लिखा था, but
Okay.
very typical that listen, I saw you for the first time and I fell in love with you. You were amazing. है तो बस तारीफ ही
Wow.
लिखते हैं वो, तारीफ लाइन से लिखी हुई. And I was like, this is nice, but I'm sorry. I'm still a
Okay.
kid.
Okay. This is an interesting one. Take a step if
Hmm.
you've had a really crazy but very sweet fan encounter, like a proper fan encounter.
हाँ, अरे recent.
Okay.
Very cute one, which I told very recently. I was looking for a house and I was just ऐसे ही चल के जा रही थी. I was like, I'll look for a cafe, sit somewhere, eat. There's a girl who was, अभी सब मास्क पहन के घूमते हैं, तो अभी इतना डर लगता है कि पता नहीं कौन क्यों आ रहा है. So she's looking at me like this, ऐसे दूर से. She's like, and I'm like, ये कौन है? And then she's like, आप पल्लवी है ना? बोला, हाँ, मैं पल्लवी हूँ. I got scared. Then two kids came. Those two
Yeah.
kids came and they are like, आप पल्लवी. बोला, हाँ, पल्लवी. So there was one more kid who was like, Raghav kahan hai? And this lady, she called her mother and her mother came down and she's like, come up. I said, I think we don't know each other and I was just passing by another thing. She's like, listen, my daughter, one more daughter, she had a tuitions, online tuitions. तो वो आ नहीं पाई नीचे, अभी वो नहीं मिलेगी तो she'll feel bad. Can you come up for just 2 minutes? Just say hi to her.
Oh.
And I went to their place, yeah.
Wow.
I met this kid and she's like, yeah, they had a beautiful house, such a beautiful house, a
How sweet.
huge house, and they're showing me the house. And the lady is like, listen, we have a guest room, so in case you don't have a house right now, you can stay here.
Oh, how sweet. That's
And
so
I was
sweet.
like, that's very, yeah, I was like, this is very sweet, but thank you, I'm all right. I
That's
took
so
her
cool.
number
And
and I
from
came out.
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, so from obviously nice, sweet fan encounters to fan questions, let me take this one. This is interesting. I'm also very interested in the answer. Say something about the video that was shared by Sai of your video. This is by the Ragvi fan page.
This was today, I guess.
I think he shared a picture where
Yeah.
one picture of Shivangi that nobody has seen. So he shared a video where half of your face is
Yeah.
black and
He has उसका phone भरा हुआ है. He can blackmail me in future for all those photos and videos
oh my God.
where I'm looking very, very bad, weird angle से निकाला हुआ. He has all those videos and all those pictures. Oh my God. And he loves doing that. उसके हाथ में हमेशा phone रहता है, तो वो बैठे ना, he'll take a video. He'll tell you story है, you'll post for the story and पता चलेगा video निकाल दिया.
Oh,
So, in future अगर वो मुझे blackmail करे तो I'm going to come to you.
you should actually have counter videos of him, na?
I don't carry my phone. I don't carry my phone. I don't have this habit of having my, because one, I used to wear my sari also. So I used to lose my phone every time on the set. And set पे तो कभी-कभी मेरा phone कहीं पीछे पड़ा है. Some kid is coming and giving it back. So I'm like, Shivangi, you better not take the phone on the set.
हाँ,
So I
केतन
told
के लिए
her.
क्या है भाई, पैंट की पॉकेट में phone
हाँ,
है, आराम
पॉकेट में
से
डाल लो.
access.
कोट है इतना, चार 3 पीस सूट पहना है, कहीं भी रख देगा पता नहीं.
Okay, this is one question by Sia. She wants to know any project that's coming up or probably in talks that you can talk about, anything in the pipeline.
Well, right now to no. Yes, we are in, there's some music album that we
हाँ,
are, अभी भी discussion चल रहा है कि क्या करना है, क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, क्या नहीं. So hopefully
हाँ.
you'll get to see album of me and
Yeah,
Sia.
yeah, Ketan also mentioned this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is one question about, this is like a common issue by your fans. Why are you so inactive on Instagram?
अरे
इसका
यार,
जवाब तो दे ही दो
फिर
शिवांगी.
देखो, मैं घर ढूंढ रही थी, फिर मेरे घर में अभी मेरा भाई हॉस्पिटल
Same
में है.
answer. Ketan's answer. Ketan also said the same thing.
Because it's tough, yeah. Bombay is very tough to find a house. So don't worry, you'll once I settle down, घर का सारा काम हो जाए और सब हो जाए तो we'll be on track.
Okay, all right. This is again by Sia, and I like the question, so I'm taking it
Dancing
again.
again.
When will we see you dancing?
So I'm going back
How
to
much do you
Bombay.
enjoy it?
Dancing? Oh, I love
Yeah.
it. I've done pole dancing. Then at the same time, I was learning Kathak also. So I was
Kathak,
learning
yeah.
Kathak when I was very small. I started it. I gave like 2 exams, but then it was, writing and everything, and I was too small to write, Hindi especially. So मैं continue नहीं कर पाई. But then later on, I started learning from Charvi Bharadwaj. I learned Kathak from her. We did continue for a while, but then, shooting and everything, that सब ऊपर नीचे हो गया. But now when I'm going back, you will see me dancing, pole dancing, kickboxing, and sharing
Wow.
pictures and being active, everything.
Okay, let me take this. This is again an interesting question. Okay, people are asking, what is your eye color? Do you get that often?
Yeah.
What is your
I
eye
guess
color?
it's brown. A lot of people have said it's brown.
Okay, this is by Ragvi Fancies. Her reaction when fans demanded Pratik for a music video. When actually, Chetan was telling me this, that they actually bombarded Pratik's account कि भाई इन दोनों को feature करो अपने music video में.
But that's very sweet of them, and I was shocked. I was like, am I dreaming or something? Because these people have been texting everybody, not just music album. They are, tagging a lot of producers and a lot of directors, and they are like behind their life. They're like, इनको cast नहीं किया तो देख लेना. That's their scene. And I was like, that is sweet also. But I don't know. I was like, how do I take all this love? But yeah, I Sai called me saying, Ari, Pratik is calling because a lot of fans are bothering him. Come on, let's just speak to him. I was like, yeah, let's go speak to him. So we did go, we went to his place, we met him, and he told us kitne messages hai, kitne tags hai. So that is happening.
Actually, yeah. No, when I announced the interview, तब मुझे पता है कि मुझे कितने आते हैं. तो for a music video, I can only guess. Like wild guess. Okay, this is by I am Jenny. Wants to know, have you met Sai Ketan's family? If at all, how's your bond with the family? Because I was telling Ketan also yesterday that fans want to also know this, off-camera camaraderie between you and Ketan. And they're very, very, intrigued about the whole situation.
Right.
So obviously they get in family and everything along. But do you think you've met the family yet? Or
Yeah, because we were staying in the same apartment, like as in the same building. We were given like different apartments, and Sai के birthday पे उसकी mom और उसकी बहन दोनों आए थे. So I did get to meet his mom. His mom is really cool, yeah, very cool, very cool. She'll be like, listen, I'm your age. Don't think that I'm somebody जिसको आंटी करना पड़ेगा या बेड like I'm very cool, and she's actually, you'll sit and talk to her and you'll talk to her for hours and hours. His sister doesn't talk much.
Acha.
But
Okay.
mom is very cool.
Okay, one for the cool mothers. Okay, this is by Pari Official Mala. what could be your advice to your fans that will encourage them to becoming a role model like you are? Any message to your fans, or probably a motto that you live by that will really, be
Um,
a food for thought.
uh, I I I don't know if I'm a role model or no, that I can't really. Yeah,
You
don't
are, of course,
I
you
I don't try to be a role model. I think that's the thing. You just be a good human being first. I
are. Absolutely.
believe that you have to, be if you're, let's say, if you're working anywhere in some corporate or something, be a little, take respect and give also. So just be that, be nice to everybody, do your work with, you know, give your 100% to whatever you're doing, and you'll be there. You don't role model mat bano. Just be a good human being, yeah, and you're there.
Okay, this question is by Rajal Singh, again an interesting one. Have you ever, okay, wants to know
What is
about a
that?
bike riding story. It's a bike. कभी bike ride किया है आपने?
So I was doing this Telugu film, and they said, like, listen, you have to ride. Now come learn. And I went and I did try, but
Yeah.
later on they cancelled it because there was only stunt stuff that was going to happen. So I just
Okay.
had to take the bike, go straight, and just stop and just talk to the person. So I did,
But you rode a bike. Wow.
yeah,
Like a proper gear wali bike.
yeah, there. उसने मुझे सिखाया
Wow.
भी कि
So cool. Okay. There's so many questions. I can't take all of them, but anything that you want to pick and choose from this, ये तो मैंने select करके आपको यहाँ पे flash कर दिया था. But anything that you want to actually, before I let you go, want to address your fans, because इतने सारे सवाल पूछे जा रहे थे. जितना मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है, मैंने तो सारे, I think I have covered
I
most of
think
them.
the
But anything in
maximum
particular?
are when will we get to see you next, and what is the next
Yeah.
project, and when will we get to see you and Sai together? You guys,
Yeah.
don't worry about that. We are album बोला ना, आएगा. Patience रखो थोड़ा सा, सब मिलेगा. And then I think the questions mostly are about how's your bonding with Sai. यार, it's great. Yeah.
Birthday
क्या
plans.
बोलूं?
Hi, Ketani. I just
Birthday
want to know about
plans.
your birth plans.
अभी यार बर्थडे को बहुत टाइम है. 15th of January. अभी से बर्थडे प्लान करने लग गई तो बाकी सारा काम छोड़ना पड़ेगा. So no
You
plan
are a
now.
January baby. Wow, yeah.
Yeah, you too?
Great. Yeah, 20th.
Oh, I'm 15th.
Cool. That's cool. We're just 5 days apart.
Yeah.
That's cool. Capricorn, right?
Yes.
That's so cool, yeah. But it was really lovely talking to you, Shivangi, and
Thank
really,
you.
really great. My husband is trying to make some noise pollution over here, so I'll ignore that. He could not wait from
I'm sure it's better than what's happening in my area. So.
But let's meet soon and
Yes.
continue to do this. Hopefully,